If you're looking for the best newly released AI software to revolutionize your work, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into KEPL, Vision AI Search, a groundbreaking AI tool that's quickly gaining attention for its unique features and incredible potential. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. KEPL, Vision AI Search is redefining how businesses and individuals approach AI-driven search. With its cutting-edge visual search technology, it can scan images, analyze their context, and retrieve data far beyond what text-based searches can achieve. It's not just for tech experts. This software is designed to be intuitive and accessible for everyone. One of the standout features is its ability to search by image. Instead of typing in a query, you can upload a photo and the software will provide relevant search results. This opens up new possibilities for industries like e-commerce, design, and even content creation. Imagine not having to waste time typing descriptions for products or resources. Just upload a picture and let KEPL handle the rest. What really sets KEPL apart is the precision of its AI. KEPL's Vision AI is built on advanced algorithms that continuously improve the more you use it. Over time, the software becomes more attuned to your specific needs, providing increasingly accurate results. This means that the more you interact with KEPL, the smarter and more efficient it gets, leading to higher productivity and more effective searches. Another major benefit is how it seamlessly integrates with other software. Whether you're using it for content creation, business analysis, or research, KPL doesn't just work in isolation, it enhances your existing workflow. Whether you're pulling in data from different platforms or collaborating with teams, KEPL's integration options make it a versatile tool for any professional setup. KEPL, Vision. AI Search also takes AI-powered data insights to a new level. The software doesn't just return search results. It analyzes the data for you, providing key trends and actionable insights. This feature is incredibly valuable if you're in marketing, business development, or even market research. Instead of spending hours manually filtering through data, KEPL does all the heavy lifting. For those concerned about security, KEPL places a strong emphasis on protecting user data. As you're working with AI, you want to ensure your information is secure, and KEPL makes that a priority. The company uses state-of-the-art encryption and follows strict privacy protocols, ensuring your business or personal data is safe from any unauthorized access. Now, here's a major bonus. KEPL is offering a completely free trial. If you're curious about whether this tool fits into your workflow, you can start using it right now without any financial commitment. The link in the description will get you started, so make sure you check it out after watching. In case you're wondering, the user interface is incredibly user-friendly. Despite the powerful AI behind it, KEPL's design is simple and intuitive, making it easy for anyone, from novices to tech professionals, to use effectively. Whether you're uploading images, exploring results, or analyzing data, everything is laid out clearly. Now, if you're considering adding this tool to your digital toolbox, I highly recommend giving it a shot. After testing thousands of AI tools, KPL stands out for its ability to merge vision-based, search and AI-driven insights seamlessly. If you're serious about streamlining your digital search process, KEPL Vision AI Search is something you don't want to miss. You can access it completely for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, I've included a list of my recommended AI tools that you can try, all handpicked based on thorough testing. Thanks for watching.